What's up, guys? It's Kenny giving back here with another video. And today I'm going to be building some more dirt bike jumps. See, I made this little one right there. It ain't really anything. It's just a nice little jump. I'm going to be making a landing over there. But before I get all into that, I just want to say thank you for all my subscribers. I know it's not a lot. I only have 32, but still. That's better than I thought I would do. I thought I was only get like 10. So, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. And go check out, he's one of my subscribers, but he also has a YouTube channel. He's doing really well. He has like 300 subscribers. Go check him out. His name's King Braden25. He's a really good YouTube, he has a really good YouTube channel. And he just posts really funny stuff. So, yeah. We're going to get the wheelbarrow from right here. I've been getting dirt from right there. And we're going to put it in the wheelbarrow. And we're going to go up there and add probably a landing and then another jump down here. But the only bad part about putting the one down here right now is because there's a creek running through here because it's been raining. But I'm not going to get it all done today. So this will probably be part 1. And there's going to be a part 2. So stay tuned for part 2 after part 1. It's going to be, and after I get done with it and stuff, I'm going to post a video of me riding. So yeah, I'm going to be collecting dirt from right here. So I'm going to set y'all up and enjoy. Well, spider webs right there. I'll set y'all up right here. If it will stand y'all up. That ain't gonna work. That's why I need to get my camera fixed. Dropped my camera. But I also got a GoPro. I just lost the SD card and I gotta get another one. But, yeah, so I'm gonna be getting some dirt. Taking it over there, unloading it, and building the jump. For the landing. And this wheelbarrow has a pop tire, so it's like not the best. And I'm gonna be using my handy dandy pickaxe right here to get up all, like make the dirt pretty loose. So, yeah. Alright, that should be good. And go check out one of my buddies' YouTube channels. His name's Quad Racers Gasman. Me and him talk quite a bit. He has like 10,000 subscribers, something like that, or more. He's just a really good channel. A bunch of dirt bike stuff. And people ask me all the time, Kanan, is riding dirt bikes a sport? It depends what you're doing. If you're racing, yeah, it's a sport. Like X Games, they have dirt bikes. They host all kinds of events. Dirt bikes are a sport. But going out and just riding dirt bikes, that ain't a sport. That's just called having fun. That's what I do. My mom's dog's down here. Oh, this is a sticky mud. It's been raining so much, all this is just gooey and really sticky. I'm telling y'all, it's going to be really, like, y'all going to enjoy the videos after I get done with this. Because I got the track over there without my big jumps. These are just going to be, like, little playground jumps. Those back there are, like, practicing for, like, dirt bike racing and stuff. Because those are no jumps to play around on, honestly. Unless you got experience with dirt bikes, and you're fine. Because they're like 20-foot hills. There's jumps, like. This hole is just filling up with water. Man, I hate this. I'll start getting some from right here. I'm sliding around everywhere. See, right now I'm just making a landing. Well, I can make a double also. But it ain't gonna be a super big jump. And look, dirt bikes is a fun hobby. It's just dangerous sometimes. Later on when I get my GoPro fixed and you see how I ride and stuff, don't try it. Like, don't do the dumb stuff I do. There's a rock out there, a big ass root. Sorry, I said a bad word. That might be enough dirt for a landing. Yeah, that'll do. If I have to get more, I'll get more. And I stepped in mud. Look at that. It's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna set y'all down in the mud. It's gonna really suck if I fall as this wheelbarrow tips over. God, this tire's flat. I couldn't find my other wheelbarrow. God dang. That tire is completely flat. I might make it up there, I don't know. Might not, which I ain't going that far. If I can get out of this water, I'll be fine. See, I'm sliding. These boots I'm wearing too have no grip at all. Nah. God dang. So stupid. I wish I still had all my old trails, but they got tore down. There's a bunch of woods back there, which y'all see more of those woods in my videos. But they got tore down because they're building like a subdivision or something back there. It's retarded. Alright, I'm here. My phone does have mud all over it. So that really does suck. I'm gonna set y'all up right here and get all this stuff out y'all's way. Oops. So, this is how I make a landing for it. I just take the dirt. I go like this. I dump it all out. And then, hold up. I'm gonna change the view. No. That's why I wish my GoPro was still fixed. Alright, and now I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna gather up all of the mud. I need to get it centered. Alright. This is not really a long process. Hold up. So, one, and boom. It's a pretty big gap from here all the way to here. There's about 4 footsteps, not that big, but kind of big. Now I need to move all the dirt over a little bit. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. God dang, I wish my dog would shut up. Right now is where I get my hands dirty. Don't feel like packing it with that shovel because it's all just gonna stick to it. So I'm gonna take it like this. These are my good pants too. It's gonna take a couple days to dry. It's all kind of wet stuff. Look. Not oranges. Sticks come in handy. Look. Big rock. It don't look like much of nothing right now. I should have. See, the only reason I'm doing it now is when it's all wet, because it's easier to move and easier to pack. And I'm gonna be going to Windrock not too long from now, so I'm gonna be videoing that. Spank it. Oh, a worm. What's up, dude? Don't want you living here. You might get ran over. Oh, another worm. I don't like that. Hold up. All mud. Okay, I'm stupid. So I'm gonna get it sticking up a little bit more at an angle, so when I land, that's how it is. It's just kind of flat. So when I land, I'm just gonna go down on it. It ain't gonna really help any. So I'm gonna make it come up like this. So when I do that, and I land, I'm gonna come down on it, and it'll be better. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring it up more. See, this is all good. I like how this is. Another stick. I like how this is steep like it is, but I need to angle it up more. Now it's starting to dry. I got mud in my eye. It'll be okay. Look at that. Now when it dries, it'll all look good like that other one does. And I've had some people text me and ask me, like, am I going to post daily or what? I don't know about daily, but at least 2 or 3 times a week. So, yeah. See how this is? I'm going to let it dry. And it needs to be wider, but how I got an angle that looks okay. And I gotta clear that and land on that. So, yeah, I'm gonna go rinse my hands off in the creek over here. I'll be right back. Alright. So now, some leaf. I'll be back later for part 2. See, I ain't even done with part 1 or part 2. That was just like building a jump. I still got letting it dry and then jumping it. I gotta send it. You just gotta send it. Look at this dog. Dang it. Let's go. Come on. There's my other dog, my German Shepherd. Everything. So, I think that's going to be all for today. Look, that's going to be all for today for part 1. And I'll keep you all updated for part 2. Bye.